Welcome to my school. I've developed a learning platform specifically for aspiring 3D professionals. Hi, my name is David Bittorf. I'm a college professor with 20 years experience teaching CG and VFX. I've put this school together to help streamline your learning with a variety of learning methods. My YouTube channel literally has hundreds of free videos on Blender, ZBrush, Maya, Substance Painter, and more. This school is intended to be an extension of that channel and offer a clear direction and help. I find it significantly easier to learn if you can practice with identical files the instructor is using, rather than spending your time finding something similar to practice with. Files, even with slight nuanced differences, can lead to mistakes or misunderstandings. To alleviate this, you will be able to download the same files I'm using on my YouTube videos so you can follow along as it was originally intended. Another issue I've noticed revolves around note-taking. The software is so complex that effective note-taking can be difficult, if not impossible. That's why I've put together courses. Courses have ad-free videos that you can watch to see how to accomplish tasks in their entirety from start to finish. The custom video player will track your progress and allow you to take tagged notes directly inside the video. If you want to remember something, simply jot a quick note, and when you click on it, it'll jump back to that part of the video. Once you complete a course, you will earn a certificate of completion. Sometimes, when you're working on a project, you can become stuck, and this can become very paralyzing, especially when you're new. That is why I offer one-on-one tutoring. Oftentimes, even 1 hour of custom coaching can literally save you hours upon hours of endless searching the web, because when you're new to 3D, it is very difficult to even articulate what the problem is. Feedback can also be a crucial part of your learning experience. Master classes are designed for exactly that. With a specific start and end date, these online group classes will offer weekly feedback to ensure you're moving in the right direction. Please take a moment to check out my site and see if I'm able to make your learning experience better.